Mr. Saurabh Chaturvedi from 2011 to 13 batch of PGDM International Business Program. Saurabh's journey is a remarkable one, from being a CR at BIMTech and securing a campus placement at Jindal Power Limited to embracing entrepreneurship. His startup Vulcanari, which he co-founded with his wife Malvika S., caught national attention when they pitched it on Shark Tank India, impressing the sharks with its unique vision. First of all, welcome Saurabh. It's great to have you with us. To
Thank you.
start with, can you please tell us about your learning experience at BIMTech and how BIMTech helped in your professional growth?
See, honestly, I would give 100% credit to BIMTech only for my professional journey. Because of BIMTech, because being into international business, I got an opportunity with Westports Malaysia. Because of Westports Malaysia, I got the placement in Jindal Steel, and being a fresher, I got the opportunity to get into international procurement. So, like, it all started with BIMTech only, and because of this thing, working with different companies, I like got an idea about how to work in set of processes and also how to set up processes, and that helped me in setting up my own venture. So ultimately, it all started from BIMTech.
You also visited BIMTech, so how was your experience?
See, visiting any college, be it BIMTech or be it my college, it's always very nostalgic. And after interacting, with the students, you reminiscence over your days when we were in college. कितना हम confused होते थे, clarity नहीं होती थी. So it's always feels very nice to be in college and interact with students especially.
As everybody knows, BIMTech is known for its rigorous curriculum and experienced faculty. So, how did BIMTech contribute to your industry readiness?
See, basically, for an MBA student, the most important aspect is how good exposure you get of the industry. And thanks to BIMTech, thanks to the faculty, they have a lot of industry experience with them. So that basically helps in getting the industry knowledge in real time to the academia, which help the students to shape their future as per the requirement of the industry, which keeps evolving over a period of time.
How was your experience pitching Vulcanari on Shark Tank and what were the key takeaways? Please share, ma'am.
So it was amazing. It was season fast. The whole nation was not very aware about Shark Tank because Shark Tank was a show which was previously it was international only. So it was amazing, and the takeaways that we got from sharks like Vinita, Anupam, and the other sharks were very insightful. And it was like a one-to-one interaction with the such eminent sharks, I would say, who already made a mark in the industry. So yeah, it was a great and most memorable opportunity and thing in my life.
You give to give advice to current BIMTech students for excelling in career placements?
I would say, like, you should know why you are doing what you are doing. Identify your capabilities and competencies, and accordingly choose a career for yourself. Don't just go with the flow. That's it.
That was very valuable advice, and thank you so much for talking with Pen News.
Thank
and
you very much
it's
for
pleasure to
having us
have
here.
you with us.